Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you? How do you think the organizer?
Yes, everything is great. I think the organization of the event has been fantastic. I'm really excited to be here. My counterparts here in Turkey are great, and I'm very excited to be here.
So, what do you think will be the most interesting takeaway of today's?
I think, we talked a lot about video and about gaming, and I think the outcome for us at AdColony is going to be fantastic. So I'm really excited to see partners really supporting us and talking about, what we have to offer.
What do you think are the most interesting opportunities and trends surrounding this digital environment?
I think, again, fraud continues to be a big one. Third-party verification also a big trend for the future. I think there's a lot the overall industry can do in order to continue to increase transparency and tools to help us.
Thank you.